Creating a captivating vignette starts with really great base elements. I'm Erik Witcraft, AIFD, floral contributor for Florist Review magazine, and today I'm going to share with you these fantastic products from Melrose International and how to entice your customer by accenting them with beautiful fresh flowers. So let's get started and I'll show you how to create this amazing display. In this vignette, there's several different component pieces, and I'm going to share with you today how I've created each of the individual components to pull this beautiful display together. To begin with, I've used an Oasis igloo to create a cluster of beautiful foliages, berries, and roses, enticing your customer to want to buy some of the different elements around it. So I've simply taken Italian ruscus, some knife blade acacia, eucalyptus, and dusty miller and inserted them as a base into the igloo. From there, I've added in the blueberry viburnum and these beautiful mondial roses to create an accent in the middle of this cluster. This sits on this wonderful wooden tray with an iron stand. I've also created different vase arrangements, including magnolia, white hydrangea, the blueberry viburnum, dusty miller, some wonderful fragrant white peonies, and the mondial roses in these tall jars with a metal stand. A grouping of all of these elements together helps to entice your customer to want to buy some of the different accent pieces. Inspire your customers to purchase these handsome products from Melrose International by accenting them in your displays with beautiful flowers and plants. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope to see you all again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.